This week we had World Menopause Day, and it's such an important event because it's something that is not talked about enough, it's something that's not understood enough, and it affects over 50% of the population, and it's vital that we have a better understanding of it. There was a wonderful event that Davina McCall had with Dr. Louise Newson, who's the menopause doctor. She's absolutely brilliant, so if you can, check that out. But they spoke a lot about HRT, hormone replacement therapy, which used to be considered a bad word, but now, you know, it's important for us to know that there's natural sources of these beautiful hormones that we're lacking in menopause and perimenopause. So, one of the hormones that we're low on is estrogen. That's the main one, and the beautiful plant-based estrogen. So yam is one that's being used a lot in HRT at the moment, but there's also a lot of plant-based estrogen in coriander, and that's why I'm kind of putting together why I've had so many incredible emails, messages, phone calls from women saying that Yogandha Balance has really helped them during this time. And it's full of plant-based estrogen. It's full of coriander, and also jasmine is beautifully balancing. So have a go with Yogandha Balance. Please do seek out, you know, if you do need, please do seek out other sources. But just if you're experimenting, try Yogandha Balance, because I've had incredible feedback from women. So, and also just a feeling that it gives you, the beautiful divine feminine feeling that it gives you. But if you really want to kind of go hardcore on it, one customer has been putting it on the soles of her feet every night before bed and has had incredible results. So I haven't tried that myself, but I'm just using it as a wellness perfume for just premenstrual stuff. But just be aware that hormones, you know, we're largely governed by our hormones, and that there are beautiful 100% natural sources of HRT, of hormones. So please do have a go. Just try experimenting with Yogandha Balance and seeing how it makes you feel. And if you're in menopause and want to seek out HRT, natural forms of HRT, just be aware that they're there. They're coming from yams, they're natural. A lot of the bad press has been disproven, so please do educate yourself on HRT if that's where you are, if you're at that stage in your life. Namaste.